Hello everyone, my name is Grace Schwartz. I'm a part of the AIM class of 2023 focusing on the international healthcare sector, and today I will be pitching Prothena Co. Prothena Corporation is a late-stage clinical biotechnology company with expertise in protein dysregulation. Prothena's pipeline contains investigational therapeutics with the potential to change the course of devastating, rare, neurodegenerative, and peripheral amyloid diseases. The company consists of one wholly owned Phase 3 program, two partnered Phase 2 programs, and 5 potential INDs from biology-directed engine program in the next 5 years. The company currently generates income through collaborations and milestone payments with partners. Prothena earns 96.5% of revenue in the US and 3.5% in Switzerland. The company was founded in 2012 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ireland. Prothena was established in December 2012 when it separated from Elan Corporation. Since then, the company has utilized decades of research to advance a broad pipeline of therapies, mostly focusing on rare diseases. The company's wholly owned programs include a potential treatment of AL amyloidosis and a portfolio of programs for the potential treatment of Alzheimer's. Prothena also has partnerships with Roche, Bristol Myers Squibb, and Novo Nordisk. The company first became profitable in 2021, largely due to the sale of PRX004 to Novo Nordisk. Management expects this collaboration to be a large generator of revenue. One treatment that Prothena is developing is bertamimab, which has been granted Fast Track and Orphan Drug designations by the FDA. These designations allow for Prothena to have increased regulatory interaction and input. Outside of potential sales revenue from approved drugs, Prothena serves to make up to $365 million in milestone payments from partners over the next 4 years. Due to Prothena's upcoming release of bertamimab, multiple collaborations, and its expanding pipeline, it is recommended that Prothena be added to the AIM International Equity Fund with a price target of $43.43. Representing a 55% upside. In February of 2021, Prothena's lead drug candidate, bertamimab, was advanced into the confirmatory Phase 3 stage. Bertamimab primarily targets AL amyloidosis, a rare progressive and fatal disease where immunoglobulin light chain proteins aggregate and deposit as amyloid in vital organs. There are currently no approved treatments for AL amyloidosis, and it is estimated that 200,000 to 400,000 patients globally suffer from this rare disease. Bertamimab is the leading cure in development and expected to be the first approved for commercialization. Additionally, bertamimab has been granted Fast Track and Orphan Drug designations for the treatment of Mayo Stage 4 patients with AL amyloidosis. This makes up about 30% of all AL patients. The amyloidosis treatment market is projected to reach revenue of about $6.7 billion by 2025 and is estimated to grow at a CAGR of 7.2%. Bertamimab is expected to have increasing revenues beginning in fiscal year 2024. Prothena has established strong strategic collaborations with firms including Bristol Myers Squibb, Novo Nordisk, and Roche. In 2014, Prothena teamed up with Roche to develop and commercialize a treatment for Parkinson's disease. The most recent collaboration was announced in 2021 and saw the acquisition of Prothena's clinical stage PRX004 and ATTR amyloidosis business. In addition to the $60 million upfront payment, Prothena is eligible to receive milestone payments from this deal alone totaling up to $1.17 billion. Prothena's pipeline contains discovery stage therapeutics for diseases with unmet medical needs. These diseases include AL amyloidosis, ATTR amyloidosis, Alzheimer's, and Parkinson's disease. Most recently, Prothena partnered with Bristol Myers Squibb to create a portfolio of Alzheimer's treatments and preventions. 50 million people worldwide live with Alzheimer's disease, and it is the sixth leading cause of death in the U.S. To reach an intrinsic value, a 7-year DCF model was created. Using a terminal growth rate of 1.25 and a WACC of 9.92, an intrinsic value of $40.50 was reached. A sensitivity analysis of terminal growth rate in WACC of 100 bips ranged from $40.01 to $52.43. Additionally, an EV to EBIT multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer multiple and resulted in a relative value of $40.14. Finally, a price to sales multiple valuation was calculated using a weighted average peer resulted in an intrinsic value of $62.74. By weighing these models 80-10-10, a price target of $43.43 was reached, representing a 55% upside. Risks of investing in Prothena include reliance on collaborations. Prothena has collaborations with Roche, Novo Nordisk, and Bristol Myers Squibb. These agreements may never produce the anticipated benefits involving milestone payments if the drugs are not successful. Another risk is loss of market exclusivity designation. Bertamimab has been granted orphan drug designation and fast track designation. If clinical success does not continue, the FDA may withdraw these designations. And the last risk is potential delay of clinical trials. Prothena currently has 6 drug candidates in clinical trials. The delay of clinical trials may negatively impact Prothena's ability to obtain regulatory approval for and to market and sell a particular drug candidate. Dr. Gene G. Kinney has served as Prothena's president and CEO since 2016. Previously, Dr. Kinney served as head of R&D and head of non-clinical research for Janssen Alzheimer's immunotherapy. Hideki Garin, MD and PhD, is the Chief Medical Officer. Prior to Prothena, Dr. Garin was Vice President and Global Head of Neuroimmunology with Roche. Tran B. Nguyen is the CFO and COO.